Welcome to English Anyway, where we learn English, no pressure, no perfection.
Hi, Benji here. Wait, where do I pay?
You're at the counter.
I have coffee, a sandwich, and a cookie.
That sounds like a very Benji shopping trip.
Yes, but when I need to pay, my English disappears.
Then this is useful counter English.
Counter English?
Yes, the counter is the place where you pay.
Oh, the pay table.
Haha, close. In English, say counter.
Fine, counter.
Today we will learn simple English for paying at a shop or cafe. First, if you are not sure where to pay, ask this. Do I pay here?
Do I pay here?
Good. Short and natural.
Can I say I pay here?
That sounds like a statement, not a question. Here is the contrast. Do I pay here? Not, I pay here?
Use do for the question.
Exactly. For this simple present question, use do. Now, if you want to use a card, ask this. Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Perfect. By card means using a credit card or debit card.
Can I say pay with card?
People may understand, but can I pay by card is the most natural. And we need the little word a if you say a card.
I knew it. The little word is back.
Can I pay with a card?
Can I pay with a card?
That is also okay, but by card is shorter and common.
In my language, we often say swipe card.
Interesting. In English, at the counter, just ask, can I pay by card? If you don't have a card, say this. I only have cash.
I only have cash.
Good. Cash means paper money or coins.
Like real money.
Haha, yes, physical money. Now, the worker may tell you the price. The total is $10.
The total is $10.
Total means the full price.
So coffee plus sandwich plus cookie.
Exactly, all together. After you pay, you may need one more thing. Can I get a receipt?
Can I get receipt?
One more little word.
Okay, the little word again.
Say a receipt. Can I get a receipt?
Can I get a receipt?
Great. A receipt is the small paper or email that shows what you paid.
Useful for money tracking.
Exactly. Let's put it into a real cafe scene.
Hi, do I pay here?
Yes, right here.
Great. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Thanks.
The total is $10.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please. Can I get it by email?
Sure. What is your email address?
Oh, one more problem for another episode.
Nice. That sounded natural. We also heard one new useful sentence. Can I get it by email? It means you want the receipt in your email, not on paper.
That is useful. I lose paper receipts.
Same. Now let's practice out loud. Benji, this is for you and for everyone listening.
First, ask where to pay. Do I pay here? Now ask about card payment. Can I pay by card? Now ask for a receipt. Can I get a receipt?
Good. Now let's switch. Choose your real payment sentence. You can say, can I pay by card? Or say, can I pay in cash? Or say, can I pay with my phone? Good. Now let's switch to something you need after you pay. You can say, can I get a receipt? Or can I get it by email?
I will say, can I get a receipt?
Quick natural version.
Hi, do I pay here?
Yes, right here. Like the total is $10.
Can I pay by card?
Yes. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please. Can I get it by email?
Today, we built a real counter conversation, step by step.
I can ask where to pay, how to pay, and get a receipt.
Exactly. Simple English, but it helps in real life.
And I used a receipt. A receipt.
Beautiful recovery. Before we go, we have one question for everyone listening. When you pay, do you usually use card, cash, or your phone?
Tell us in the comments.
We would love to read it and cheer for you. Keep learning English any way you want, and I'll catch you in the next one.